Hey everyone, shalom shalom, and welcome everyone to this amazing, fascinating and lovely, the beautiful city, the incredible and extraordinary city of Tel Aviv, guys. Wow, what a city, amazing. Wow, unbelievable, unbelievable, the beauty of the city of Tel Aviv, guys. So enjoy, guys, and don't forget also to like, share and follow our page. Visit Israel from your home so that many more people can see this amazing and wonderful promised land of Israel. Okay, guys, God bless, God bless, God bless.